Retired but broke? How to earn without going back to work. Retirement was supposed to be relaxing. So, why are so many struggling to pay the bills? Many retirees thought they'd saved enough, but with rising costs, inflation, and unexpected expenses have left them searching for extra income. Going back to work ha- isn't the only option. Stick with me, and I'll show you soon how retirees are earning from home without stress, without tech skills, and without relying on Social Security. This isn't about working another 9 to 5 job. This is about creating real income on your time. Stay with me. Why traditional retirement plans are failing. Let's be honest, most retirees are struggling financially. Social Security isn't enough to cover rising expenses. Healthcare costs are skyrocketing. Many retirees are forced to return to work just to survive. Fact, studies show that 1 in 3 retirees are looking for extra income, but most don't know where to even start. What if you could create an income from home without the stress of traditional jobs? Stay with me, because in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how seniors and retirees are making money online. How retirees are earning from home? Most people assume I'm too old to learn something new. I don't understand technology. Starting a business is way too risky. I get it. I felt the exact same way. But I found a way to work smarter, not harder. A simple system designed for beginners. Step 1, put in your email and watch a free training video. It's free. Go to hollypringdailypay.com and watch a short video explaining how this works from our CEO mentor. Step 2, choose a program that fits your budget. There's 4 program options available, all designed to fit different financial goals. Unlike MLMs, multi-level marketing, or franchises, this has no monthly fees, no inventory, and no selling to friends. Step 3, get step-by-step training and support. No experience needed. Everything is taught from the ground up. No bothering your friends and family. You'll learn attraction marketing. Simple automated systems help run the business for you. Step 4, plug into live training and community support. Learn directly from 6 and 7-figure earners. Join 50,000 plus members, all creating financial security together. Replays available if you miss a live session, no problem. Step 5, start earning 100% profit and work at your own pace. Every sale you make is 100% of the profit goes straight to you. Unlike jobs that take taxes and cuts, you own this income for life. Step 6, build security and true retirement freedom. Many people start small and eventually replace their job. The best part? You decide how much or how little you want to work. If you're worried about retirement income, this is your chance to change that. Let's create security together. The biggest mistake retirees make: most people wait until they're out of options before looking for another income stream. Fact, the people who succeed start before they hit rock bottom. You don't need to wait until your savings run out. Go to my site and see how this works for you. It's free to check out. Retirement should be about freedom, not financial stress. Let's make sure you have both. Want to see how others are doing it? Go to my site and take that first step. What would an extra $1,000 a month do for your retirement? Drop your answer in the comments. Your financial future is in your hands. Let's make it happen together. And I'm here to help you every step of the way.